Welcome back to Legendary Machine, the channel where we talk about machines that don't just move, they make statements. Today we're diving into the 2027 Maserati MC20, a car that continues Maserati's modern supercar journey while refining everything that made the MC20 a standout in the first place. This is not about gimmicks or overdone aggression. This is Italian performance with elegance, and the 2027 MC20 proves that Maserati is playing a long game. From the outside, the 2027 MC20 stays true to the original design language, but the details are sharper and more confident. The body still looks sculpted by airflow rather than trends. The low nose sits wide and purposeful, with subtle aerodynamic tweaks that improve cooling and downforce without screaming for attention. The signature Maserati trident remains proudly centered, reminding you that this is not just another supercar brand chasing lap times, but a company with over a century of racing heritage. The side profile is where the MC20 really shines. The proportions are near perfect, with a short front overhang, a tight cabin, and muscular rear haunches that communicate performance even at a standstill. The butterfly doors remain one of the highlights, not just for drama, but for practicality, making entry and exit easier than you'd expect in a car this low. For 2027, Maserati refines the panel gaps, wheel designs, and paint finishes, giving the MC20 an even more premium and bespoke feel. Around the back, the clean rear design avoids unnecessary clutter, focusing on function with a diffuser that looks purposeful and taillights that stay minimal and modern. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the 2027 MC20 truly earns its legendary status. At the heart of the car is an evolved version of Maserati's Nettuno V6 engine. This twin-turbocharged powerhouse continues to use Formula One-inspired pre-chamber combustion technology, and for 2027 it's more refined, more responsive, and slightly more powerful. Power delivery is instant, with turbos that spool quickly and an engine note that feels mechanical and raw without being overwhelming. Acceleration is brutal yet controlled. The MC20 launches with confidence, pinning you to the seat as it rockets forward, but it never feels chaotic. The balance of the chassis is one of the car's greatest strengths. Thanks to its carbon fiber monocoque and near-perfect weight distribution, the MC20 feels light, agile, and incredibly precise through corners. Steering feedback is sharp and communicative, allowing the driver to feel exactly what the front tires are doing at all times. On the road, the 2027 MC20 manages to strike a rare balance. In its more relaxed driving modes, it's surprisingly comfortable for a supercar, soaking up imperfections without feeling soft or disconnected. Switch to the more aggressive modes, and the car tightens up instantly. Throttle response sharpens, suspension firms, and the MC20 transforms into a focused driving machine that feels just as at home on a track as it does on a mountain road. Braking performance is equally impressive, with strong, consistent stopping power and excellent pedal feel. Maserati has clearly focused on making this a driver's car, not just a numbers car. It's fast, yes, but more importantly, it's engaging, rewarding skill rather than intimidating it. Inside, the MC20 continues the theme of focused simplicity. The interior doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary screens or flashy materials. Instead, everything feels intentional. The driver-centric layout places controls exactly where you expect them, and the digital displays are clear, responsive, and easy to read at speed. Materials feel premium, with a mix of leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber that reinforces the car's performance. Identity. Comfort is better than you might expect, with supportive seats that work just as well on long drives as they do during aggressive driving. Visibility is also surprisingly good for a mid-engine supercar, making the MC20 feel more usable day to day. The 2027 Maserati MC20 isn't trying to reinvent the supercar. Instead, it perfects a formula built on beauty, balance, and emotion. It's a car that respects Maserati's heritage while confidently moving into the future. And for those who value driving feel as much as raw speed, this machine truly earns its place among the legends. This has been Legendary Machine, and this is what modern Italian performance is all about.